Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be replacing the doorbell button on my front door here. Basically, the button itself is broken right off, so went up to Lowe's, picked up a new one for next to nothing, and I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is remove the old button. So go ahead and take your south wire screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and this is low voltage, you don't have to really worry about anything. Go ahead and pull those wires off, just like that. Then take your new button and just reverse the process. Well, there it is. Not a big job, but it needed to be done. So that's how you replace the doorbell button on your home. Thanks a lot for watching.